Alright, so Backtrack is a great feature on the Apple Watch and it's very useful for places where you're not likely to have connection. It can help you track your route by creating digital breadcrumbs that can help you retrace your steps if you get lost. So let's take a quick view at how it works. To use Backtrack, open the Compass app and tap on the footprint icon on the bottom right hand corner. Tap Start and then tap on Allow if you get a location prompt. The Backtrack button becomes a pause button and it begins tracking your route. Apple Watch Ultra owners can start Backtrack quickly with the Action button. To program the Action button, open the Settings app, tap on Action button, then tap Action and select Backtrack. Now when you press the Action button, you can easily start Backtrack at your current location. Now, begin your hike and whenever you're ready to head back, tap the pause button again and tap Retrace Steps. The Backtrack button now changes to Active Footprints. Follow the white path back with the pointing arrow on the top. Keep following the white path and once you get to the location where you started Backtrack, the arrow disappears. You can now either continue or tap on the footprint icon to delete the steps. I have to say, I would prefer some sort of taptic feedback or notification like with waypoints where it shows you have arrived rather than just the arrow disappearing. Hopefully Apple will change that. Click here if you want to watch a video about how to use waypoints. I'll catch you there. Peace.